Hi! We're going to learn about one of my favorite underwater animals today. It's the octopus. I love octopuses. I just think they're the most amazing creatures. Did you know that octopuses have 3 hearts and 9 brains? Because basically each one of their 8 arms has a brain in it. Octopuses are amazing. They can change color and they can also change their texture so they can look like anything around them. They can squirt ink and make a big cloud of ink to hide themselves. They can also use tools. They can use things they find in the water, maybe a rock or something like that, as a tool to, say, open up a crustacean that they want to eat. Octopuses are one of the smartest animals that live in the ocean. I'm going to read you just a little bit. I didn't have a good book about octopuses. I'm going to have to get one. But I'll read you a little bit from this fun book. It's called Ocean IQ, and it's a pop-up book all about ocean animals. There is one small section about octopuses. The page I'm going to read to you has a pop-up of these great seahorses. It's all about weird and wonderful animals in the sea. Seas and oceans are home to some odd-looking creatures with strange habits. Sea stars are animals that live on the rocks and on the seafloor. They eat as they move slowly along, using the hundreds of tiny feet beneath each of their arms. Sea horses are very unusual fish. They are covered in armored plates and can change their color to hide themselves from predators. Crabs have 10 legs and walk sideways. 2 of the legs at the front have large pincers on the end. Crabs live mainly in the sea, but they can also walk on land. Octopuses have 8 arms with rows of suction cups. To confuse their predators, octopuses can squirt in a cloud of ink in which they can hide or disappear. We're going to make an octopus today. It's an octopus windsock, so you can hang it somewhere and watch it flutter around in the wind. You're going to need this paper with the lines on it, and these little circles, 2 googly eyes, and you also have a blue piece of yarn. All right, here's your first job. You're going to cut along the lines on your paper and just stop at the end of them. So remember, thumb on top, fingers on the bottom, open, close, all the way up, and then stop. Try to stay on the line as much as you can. Up, 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 stop. So you're holding your paper with your other hand. Open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close, stop. All the way up to the top. Almost done. Okay, so I want you to think of this part as your octopus's arms. And think about, at the end, turning your octopus this way. So the face is going to go here. Okay? So what we're going to do is use our eyes kind of in the middle. Add any other details you might want to add, like a mouth. I'll show you mine in just a second. I'm going to add some eyelashes just to make them look cute. All right, so that's kind of in the middle. And then you can also add your little circles to your octopus's arms, because those are thinking of these as like the suction cups, right? So I'm going to evenly kind of distribute those. Unfortunately, they're not showing up that well. It's too bad they didn't do a different color paper on this. So feel free to color your paper so that your suction cups will show up better. You could use some crayon or some markers to color your paper first. Really, they should have given us a colored paper, I think. personally. So you can kind of see my suction cups. And then when you're done, it's going to get curled up like this. So you're going to want to put a little bit of glue on the side and then go ahead and glue it. One thing that I notice when kids are trying to glue is they don't put enough of their glue stick. So I love the purple ones because you can really see I have a lot of purple there, so it should stick. And then you also need to really just press it really good so that your glue gets to stick together with the paper. And then it should stay stuck if you have enough glue. All right, feel free to do whatever you want with those legs. It's kind of fun, or arms I should say. It's kind of fun to take a marker or a crayon and curl it upward a little bit, and then you get like little curly arms. I think that's kind of cute. I could do a pattern, maybe do one straight and then one curly, one straight, one curly. And then your final thing you're going to do is attach your piece of yarn. So I'm going to use some tape for this. So just go ahead and attach one side of it to one side of your octopus. You could also punch a hole and like tie it on if that works better to keep it on well. And then you'll be able to hang your octopus up. So it could hang from your ceiling, which is kind of cute. It could hang from a doorway. It could hang over your bed. Isn't my octopus so cute? So have fun making your octopus windsock, and I'll see you again soon to learn about another animal. Bye.